Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to stay fit and healthy. Ready to level up your home workouts? Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. Today I'm showing you how to transform everyday household items into powerful fitness tools. You won't believe how versatile your home can be. Working out at home saves you time and money, plus it's super convenient. No need for expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. Let's get started with some easy fitness hacks that will make your home workouts more effective and fun. First up, turn your kitchen into a gym. Grab a sturdy chair. This common household item can be a game changer for your workout routine. Use it for tricep dips. This exercise is fantastic for toning your arms and building upper body strength. Place your hands on the edge, legs straight out, and dip down, then push up. Make sure to keep your core engaged for maximum benefit. You can also elevate your push-ups by placing your feet on the chair. This variation increases the intensity and targets different muscle groups. Next, find a gallon water jug. This isn't just for hydration. It can double as a weight for various exercises. This baby doubles as a weight. It's perfect for adding resistance to your workouts. Do some bicep curls, overhead presses, and squats. These exercises will help you build strength and tone your muscles. Hold the jug and feel the burn. You'll be surprised at how effective this simple tool can be. And don't forget a kitchen towel. This versatile item can be used for a variety of exercises. Roll it up and use it for grip exercises. It's great for improving your hand strength and endurance. Hold it tight, and you've got a great core workout right there. You can also use it for resistance training. Now let's head to the living room for some strength training. This space is perfect for a variety of exercises. Your couch is not just for Netflix binges. It can be a valuable part of your workout routine. Use it as a bench press station. Lay down and press those weights upward. It's a great way to build upper body strength. Got some heavy books? They make excellent weights for squats and lunges. You can use them to add resistance to your lower body workouts. They make excellent weights for squats and lunges. Hold them close to your chest or lift them overhead for an added challenge. Hold them close to your chest or lift them overhead. This will engage your core and improve your balance. And if you have stairs, use them for step-ups. This exercise is fantastic for building leg strength and adding a cardio element to your routine. Great for adding a cardio element to your routine. It's also a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Time to hit the bedroom for a body weight workout. This space is perfect for exercises that don't require any equipment. Use your bed for AB crunches. It's a comfortable and effective way to work on your core. Lay on your back, feet on the bed, and crunch up. This exercise targets your abdominal muscles and helps build a strong core. Planks and Russian twists are great too. These exercises are excellent for building core strength and stability. Need extra support? Grab a pillow. Use it for knee support during exercises or place it under your lower back during crunches. This will help you maintain proper form and prevent injury. And don't forget wall sits. This simple exercise is incredibly effective for building leg strength and endurance. Press your back against the wall, slide down into a sitting position and hold. Amazing for leg strength. Stay active, stay creative. Your home is full of possibilities. Recap. We used a chair, water jug, towel, couch, books, stairs, bed, and pillows. These everyday items can transform your workout routine. Get creative and experiment with your own home workouts. The possibilities are endless, and you can always find new ways to challenge yourself. If you enjoyed these fitness hacks, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Stay fit and fabulous. See you next time. Keep pushing your limits and have fun with your fitness journey.